welcome to Well Crochet. My name is Mary and today we are doing our destashing giveaway. It's today. This is the video you need to be involved in. It's actually today and tomorrow. So you have in this video a whole week, and I'll give you the date in a minute, to enter the giveaway today. Plus you have tomorrow morning's live at 10 a.m. Melbourne, Australia time, that is, to enter the live giveaway. What? So far I've wrapped 15 packs. 10 packs are here today, and this is what they look like, so you know. That's the size of the packs. 10 of those are in our video today. 5 of them will be in our live tomorrow morning. I still haven't wrapped many, so I might have a few more by tomorrow morning's live, maybe not, we'll see. And you'll see how I feel. It took me hours to wrap those today. So you have 10 packs and you have 10 questions. Well, one question on each pack. What? You have 10 chances to win. In actual fact, you can answer all 10 questions. However, you can only win one of them. So if you win pack number 3, you can't win pack number 10. If you win pack number 5, you can't win pack number 1, and so on and so on and so on, yeah? That just went on forever, didn't it? Just to tell you once. Oh. Someone's yelling at me. This is Guy, everyone. He's at the back in the naughty corner because he played up in one of our lives. Now, Guy, if you don't know who Guy is, Guy was created by myself and my lovely daughter, Frances. She made Guy's amigurumi part, the head bit, and I did the rest, and I actually went scissor happy with his hair, so I made a mess. So Guy's in the naughty corner, and that's where you stay when you're naughty on our channel. Especially in our lives, you end up in the naughty corner when you're naughty. So Guy will be watching over me during the live tomorrow morning. Make sure I'm doing the right thing. In the meantime, guys, I don't want to talk anymore. I'm going to let you get started with checking out the prizes and the questions. Now, okay, heads up on the questions. If you are new to our channel and you're not sure about me personally, some of these questions will be tricky. However, every answer for those questions I'm about to ask you over there at the workstation will be in this week's videos. What? All you need to have watched this week for these answers are our very first blanket that we are doing this week, the Sunshine Bright blanket. That was Monday. I think I popped that video up. Wednesday's live, which was, I'll tell you the date of Wednesday's live, that was the 13th of January, and I actually put the date up on the live. What? In the actual very naming of the live, you will see the date, the 13th of January, to help you out with the questions to these answers. I mean, I'm not gonna edit this. With the answers to these questions I'm about to ask you today. And also we did our beginning of the year video yesterday explaining all the tutorials and some of the unusual things that are happening this year for Well Crochet. That will also have answers to these questions. Plus, you may even find a couple of answers in this video by accident. Yours truly might have just put a foot in it. So there might be some questions to the answer. I'm sorry, let's do that again. I'm not doing too well. There might be some answers to the questions here in this video alone. Right, Guy? If you wanted to make Guy, I will leave a link to the playlist of Guy in the description box down below. If you want to make this beanie, this poncho, or that top, I will also leave the links to those in the description box down below. I'm not going to talk anymore. I'm just going to let you head over to the workstation now, and the questions will be per pack. Good luck, guys. Alrighty guys, I'm really sorry about the lighting. There's no other way I can record this, but I'll just go through like this real quickly so you can see all the packs, and then we'll get close-ups of each one. And as you can see, the numbering's not that good, but I will get a close-up and oh, look what I see. Oh, yummy. Shh, don't tell anyone. Pack number 1. Okay, first question. All right, so I do my lives 2 days a week. What days are they and what time do I do it? Now this is a really bad looking number 1. Sorry about I wrote it while it was after they wrapped. So they're all bad looking. So what days do I do my lives and what time? Now remember, it's not the time in your country. It's the time here in Melbourne, Australia that I do my live. Okay, so it's kind of an easy question because in every tutorial I do here at Wow Crochet on the last 6 months, that is, I say exactly that. Join us on da 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 for this time da 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 every week. All right, so you should know the answer to that. It's very simple. What days do I do my live and what time? Let's get on to number 2. Number 2. This is a really bad number 2, but it's there. Number 2. In May of this year, we are adding 2 new crochet items. When I say crochet items, they're not projects. They're items that will help us with our crochet and maybe further our crochet in a different area of crochet. So that might help. Now, don't forget, you can see all the answers here in this week's videos. So what 2 items am I introducing in May that will add something new to our channel here at Wow Crochet? Let's head over to number 3. Oh, there's number 3 of bad writing. Oh, by the way, just have a quick look at the back there. Oh, my blanket is blocking. The young fella's coming to pick it up today. I don't know why I did that. Sorry, guys. Number 3, the question is... Okay, let's see if I can get closer. Number 3. The question is, what small item are we making for Valentine's Day? And what are we placing at the back of it to hold it in place? Okay, what small item are we making for Valentine's Day? And what are we placing at the back of it to hold it in place? Let's go on to number 4. Pack number 4. Where is it? There it is. You can see the number 4 vaguely. All right, so we are currently in the middle of a blanket called the Sunshine Bright blanket. How many squares do we need altogether for the blanket? Super easy question, that one, and that's a pretty good gift. Okay, so good luck. All right, so let's go over to number 5. Number 5 is right there. Okay, so number 5 is, the question is, it's a 2-question answer, it's a 2-answer question. Oh, I'm all over the place. 2-answer question, and it is, which famous person are we crocheting a top for? He doesn't know we're doing it, but which famous person are we crocheting a top for? And it's a tricky question because I need the colors as well. What 2 colors am I using? Now, you may not know the name, but you know the look of it. And if you're not sure, again, you will find them in this week's videos here at Wow Crochet. They'll definitely be in tomorrow morning's live. And we definitely mentioned it on Wednesday's live as well. So this whole week, you will find the answers to these questions. All right, so that is which famous person are we making a top for, and what 2 colors are we using? Okay, number 6. Number 6 is, what happens in our lives when someone plays up or is very naughty? What happens in those lives? Okay, very easy to answer this question. Just watch the lives because it happens numerous times throughout the lives. So what happens in our lives when someone plays up and is very naughty? It's a silly question, isn't it? But it's there. Let's get on with number 7. All right, so number 7 is not a tricky question. It's quite simple if you watch my videos. Who stands behind me in our lives and who helped me create him? Oh, that's a tricky one. Oh, no, not really. I do give away some of the answers in all the videos this week, including this one. So keep your eyes peeled. Who stands behind me in my videos / lives? I say videos because sometimes it's in my videos. And who helped me create him? Let's get on with number 8. Number 8. Number 8. When I shop for yarn, just for fun, not because I'm looking for it, what is the first color I look for, and why do I love this color so much? That is definitely in this week's videos. What's the first item I look for, and why do I love this color so much? All right, let's go on to number 9. And there's a bad number 9 written on that, but it's there. Margaret, you cannot answer this question. Margaret, you know who you are. I recently gave a bag of yarn to Margaret. We haven't seen the bag. We will see that tomorrow on tomorrow morning's live. But I recently gave a bag of yarn to Margaret to give to her charity. which charity, or what is the name, I should say, of that charity? Tricky question, but if you don't know who that is, again, check Wednesday's live of this week. All right, so let's get on to the lucky last, number 10. All right, now, so to know the answer to number 10, very tricky one, you would have had to have watched our first video explaining all of the projects that we are making this year. So that's the tip I'm going to give you. And it's a really big pack, so you might want to answer this one, okay? So, firstly, I'd like to say, what is the name of the blanket that we are creating at the end of the year, and how many swatches are we making for it? Now, it's not really a trick question, okay, because it was in a video of this week. Okay, so that's all I'm going to say. These are the packs, and of course, with every pack you get a what? A packet of our famous Tim Tams. Yummy. So there you go, and that is, I can't get it all in, I'm sorry guys, the lighting is all over the place. We're very cloudy today as well. There you go, guys. You have so many opportunities to win this giveaway. And don't forget, guys, you also have tomorrow morning's live, and you've got 5 prizes there already. I still haven't wrapped many more. Whether I wrap many more is another story. It took me forever to wrap these prizes today. It took me hours. I'm supposed to put this video out hours ago, but what? So anyway, you have 10 chances today to win. You've got a whole week until the 22nd of January. By 4 p.m. you must have your answers in by that date. And then I will do the drawing that evening. It'll be in the evening because it'll take me ages to do the video and edit it and the rest of it. I hope to make it as short as possible. Won't make it as long as this. And you'll get to know who the answer of that one there is. And tomorrow morning's live, if you enter tomorrow morning's live, that one there, you'll know straight away if you win, because I'll say yay or nay. I mean yes or no. And that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share, and join us on our Wednesday afternoons at 4 p.m. and Saturday mornings at 10 a.m. lives for a lot of fun. And don't forget to join us there for tomorrow morning's giveaway as well. 2 chances altogether. So far you have 15 chances to win. Thank you so much for watching, and between Guy and I, ciao for now.